In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize some of the basic features within DaVinci Resolve. If you found yourself wanting to elevate your video editing skills or simply want to make your content more engaging, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into this wonderful editing software, starting from the basics, ensuring you feel confident in your new toolset. First off, let's head over to DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't opened it yet, now's the time. DaVinci Resolve is known for its powerful color grading tools and robust editing features. It has become the go-to for filmmakers and creative professionals who seek high-quality post-production solutions. Whether you're a rookie or a seasoned editor, there's always something new to explore and master within this software. Once you're in, you'll notice a dynamic layout comprised of different panels, each packed with editing capabilities. Our focus today is on transitions, a crucial part of video editing that helps to stitch your clips together seamlessly. To locate our target area, glance over to the top of your workspace and select the Transitions option. Here, you'll see a wide array of transitions at your disposal. This is where your creativity can truly start to shine. Each transition can dramatically change the feel and flow of your video footage. Whether you prefer subtle fades or attention-grabbing wipes, you have the freedom to experiment and see what fits your narrative best. It's like having a digital toolbox of cinematic tricks at your fingertips. Remember, a good transition can help guide your audience through the story you're telling, maintaining engagement and providing clarity between different scenes or shots. Feel free to take your time and explore the various options. Hover over each one and see an animated preview of how it would look when applied to your clips. There's no rush here. Trying out different transitions not only familiarizes you with the tools available, but also helps enhance your creative process, allowing you different ways to convey your story or message. After familiarizing yourself with the types of transitions available, you can choose the best one that suits your project. Applying a transition is straightforward. Simply drag the desired effect from the Transitions panel and drop it between two clips on your timeline. Voila! You've added your first transition. Play back your project to see how it looks and make any adjustments if necessary. Once you're comfortable and satisfied with your selections and edits, give yourself a pat on the back because you're done. You've just dipped your toes into one of the many features of DaVinci Resolve, starting your journey into crafting more polished and professional-looking videos. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue to explore all the exciting options available within DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this introduction to transitions has been helpful. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials to help you master your video editing endeavors.